Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2007 Hyundai Elantra. I want to show you something very basic. We're going to be checking the cooling system. Right here is your radiator cap. You want to make sure that when you're checking your fluid inside the radiator, your engine's nice and cold. It hasn't been running in a while. If this is hot to the touch, you definitely do not want to open it. Nevertheless, you always want to make sure you're wearing hand protection, eye protection, safety first, number one concern at 1A Auto here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and grab this, push down, turn it to the left. It should come free. We'll lift it up, and off we go. Here we go. There we are. And lift it up. Perfect. So now that we've got the cover off, what I like to do is just take a look at it, make sure that the seals look like they're in good condition. If it looks like they're torn or swollen or cracked or anything like that, I would want to replace them. What can happen if you don't is you can get venting along right here, and you'll be losing out on coolant and pressure and all that. So as you can tell, the fluid inside the radiator is full. Whether or not that's full, it's always important to check your coolant reservoir afterward. So we'll just close that back up. We'll come right over here. This is your reservoir. It says coolant right on it, so you really can't mistake that. You can open that right up. It's not under pressure. Looking down in here, you can see there's lines. There's a low line right here. There's a full line right here. If it's anywhere between here and here, you're doing pretty good. If it's below the low line, you'd want to add some, okay? Let's assume that it's where it should be. We're just going to take this, close it down, and off we go.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.